Hi guys, Dave's here, back in the garage this week. Well, I've been inspired. There's a lot of debate going on about these people that won't stand for the flag, won't stand for the National Anthem. Well, I was brought up at school, we pledged allegiance to the flag, we stood for the National Anthem, and it's just American. So this week I take this piece of pine wood that you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's 11 1/4 inches wide. I cut it down to 23 1/2 inches long, and I make this. I'm gonna hang this up in my garage. We stand. If you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Okay, I've got it clamped in my CNC now, and I've got a 90-degree V-bit installed. So we'll cut out with it first, then we'll change over to a 1/8 inch.